In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a copy of a file in Google Drive. Making a copy of a file is a simple but powerful way to preserve an original, experiment safely, or create templates you can reuse. Whether you're working with a document, a spreadsheet, a presentation, a PDF, or most other file types stored in Drive, the process is quick and consistent. Let's walk through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. First, sign into your Google Drive. Open your browser and go to your Drive homepage, then log in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see your folders and files organized on the left and in the main area. If you're working in a team or across multiple projects, it helps to make sure you're in the correct account before you proceed. Next, open the folder that contains the file you want to duplicate. Keep an eye on the breadcrumbs at the top so you know exactly where you are in your folder structure. This matters because your copy will appear in the same location as the original, making it easy to find right away. Now locate the file you want to copy and right-click on it. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click usually opens the same menu. You should see a context menu with several options like Preview, Share, and Rename. The one we want is Make a Copy. Click Make a Copy. Drive will instantly create a duplicate in the same folder. You'll see it appear with a default name that starts with Copy of, followed by the original file name. That label helps you distinguish the duplicate from the original at a glance. The contents are identical, so any changes you make to the copy won't affect the original file. A few helpful notes here. When you make a copy of a Google file, such as a doc, sheet, or slide, the new file is owned by you and is private to you unless you choose to share it later. For uploaded files like PDFs or images, the behavior is the same. The copy lives in the same folder and counts toward your storage. If you're managing large files, keep storage in mind so you don't accumulate unnecessary duplicates. That's all there is to it. You've logged in, navigated to the correct folder, right-clicked the file, and selected Make a Copy. From here, you can open the copy and start working without worrying about changing the original. This simple habit keeps your workflow tidy and your important files safe.